In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design typography in Canva. Let's get started with the process, which is straightforward and perfect for beginners and seasoned designers alike. First things first, you'll need to open Canva. If you don't already have the app, simply head to your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Alternatively, you can use the mobile app if you prefer working on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, you'll need to select the format for your project. Canva offers a multitude of options, whether you're designing a social media post, a poster, or a presentation. Think about the size and purpose of your design before choosing the format that best fits your needs. Now, let's move along to the editor. On the left sidebar, you'll find a variety of tools, but for the purpose of this tutorial, go ahead and click on Text. This will present you with options to add a heading, a subheading, or just body text to your canvas, which you can freely drag and arrange on your chosen layout. With this step, consider what message you want to convey and how it fits into your overall design theme. After adding the text, it's time to choose a font combination. Canva provides a range of font pairings, some of which are pre-designed for particular atmospheres or themes, such as modern or classic looks. Feel free to explore and experiment with different fonts till you find the one that resonates with the message you're aiming to deliver. Selecting appropriate fonts is crucial, as it contributes significantly to the impact and readability of your design. Having picked your font, it's now time to modify your text style using the options provided in the top toolbar. Here, you can adjust elements like size, color, alignment, and spacing. Customizing these features allows you to ensure your text stands out and complements other elements of your design. It can be a creative process, so take your time and refine it to your liking. Next, click on your text to reveal additional options and then choose Effects. This feature lets you add typography effects such as shadows, outlines, or even neon glows to enhance the visual impact of your words. Add subtlety or flair as needed. Effects should enhance rather than overpower your text. For an extra layer of dynamism, click Animate. You can select from a range of animations to bring your text to life. This is particularly useful for presentations or digital media where movement can grab attention more effectively than static text. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, the final step is to click on Share, where you'll find the option to download your design. Choose PNG as your file type for high-quality export. This format is ideal for both digital and print reproductions, maintaining the crispness of your text and design elements. And there you have it, a beautifully designed text layout in Canva. This versatile tool allows your creativity to shine while providing an excellent platform for clear, impactful communication. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.